In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Google Ads performance and reliably increase your ROI with winning combinations. If you're looking to optimize your campaigns for better results, you're definitely in the right place. We'll go through straightforward steps to make the most out of your Google Ads account, starting with accessing your account all the way through tweaking settings that contribute directly to your advertising success. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. It's a great starting place with all the resources you need for advertising to draw in customers and boost your sales. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do that first before proceeding with any campaign modifications. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. From this main dashboard, you can quickly access various parts of your advertising setup, but today we'll focus on campaigns. So go ahead and click on the Campaigns tab from the menu. This tab is your gateway to viewing and adjusting all of your existing campaigns. Now within the Campaigns section, you'll see a list of the campaigns you're currently running. Choose one of these campaigns by simply clicking on it. It's important to focus on a specific campaign so that the changes you make are targeted, ensuring the best chance of seeing performance improvements. With your campaign selected, it's time to click on the Edit button, which gives you the ability to make changes to different aspects of your campaign. One area to consider for optimization is your bid strategy. Tweaking your bid strategy can have a significant impact on your ads performance. On the Edit menu, find the option labeled Change Bid Strategy and click on it. This step allows you to adjust how you bid for ad placements, potentially leading to better ad exposure. For those willing to take a more hands-on approach, consider switching to manual CPC or cost per click. This method gives you more control over your bids compared to automated strategies. To do this, simply click on Manual CPC and enable it for your chosen campaign. Starting with Manual CPC allows you to directly influence the maximum you're willing to pay per click, therefore potentially improving the efficiency of your ad spend. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set the groundwork to enhance your Google Ads performance. Remember, monitoring the impact of these changes is crucial. Be sure to regularly check the performance metrics to understand how these adjustments affect your campaign objectives. Keep testing and optimizing to ensure your ads continue to drive high returns. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.